everybody. I want to thank you all for coming to the open house last night. We gave out 61 brand new library cards to patrons from the community. So kudos to you guys for opening up a whole world to yourselves. I'm so pleased. So let's draw our raffle baskets. This first one is the Color Street basket. And the Color Street winner is Martha Donnelly. So I will be giving you a call. Congratulations. Okay, the next one is the Norwex Basket. And the winner of the Norwex Basket is Joanna Fuller. Congratulations. Okay, we're on to the outdoor basket. I know this one was really popular. Okay, the winner of this one is Ian Mills. Congratulations. All right, this one was another fan fave, the Book Lovers Basket. Lots of good stuff in there. And the winner of this one is Jenny Osowski. Congratulations, Jenny. All right, and the last one is the Kids Activity Basket. And the winner of this one is Kimberly Hart. Congratulations, Kimberly. And that's it. Thanks for coming last night, and I hope you enjoyed yourselves, and I hope to see you in the library more often now that we're going to be open Monday through Thursday, 3 to 7, and Saturday, 9 to 1. Thanks.